confused mind to say, how can I make extra income? How can I create a business, right? These are some ideas that you can go and think about and then implement. Don't wait on it. Don't wait for 2026 to start. Do it now. Just action it as soon as possible. Don't wait on stuff. That is how we end up not doing the things we say we're going to do. Hey gorgeous. So today I want to talk about the 3 main ways to make money in the hair business. So let's get to it. Let me just grab a blanket because it is cold, guys. It's like winter, or it's almost winter. I don't even know anymore, but it's cold. So let's get into it. How do you make money in the hair business? How do you make money? I'm gonna give you the real tea, how the girlies are making money out there, how I've been making money throughout these years since 2018. So we'll talk about the first one. The first obvious one is, of course, selling hair. So you can go in and sell hair. You can sell wigs, you can sell bundles, you can sell all these different types of hair. That is the first point. I'll make another video that goes more into detail about that, how you go about doing that. I do have a video up about that, but then I just want to go even deeper. So that's the first step. Also, guys, you don't have to do what everybody else is doing. What I mean by that is going out there and selling every type of hair there is to offer. You don't have to be selling your straight wigs and your curly wigs and all these different types of hair, your short, your long. You don't have to specialize in all of those, right? You can specialize in one. For example, let's say you're only selling straight wigs. People will take you as the GOAT. They will say, oh my gosh, she is the GOAT. She sells only straight wigs. She specializes in straight wigs. And they're going to trust you and only come to buy from you because you're saying, hey guys, I only specialize in straight hair. I make sure I source the straightest hair for you guys. You could just focus on that only and you would make a killing. Number 2, you could focus on curly hair. You could focus on those kinky, wet water wave type of textures and say, you know what guys, if you guys are looking for your curly textures, I'm your girl. And same thing with as with the straight hair. People will say, oh, she's the GOAT when it comes to curly hair. I only buy my curly hair from her, and they will refer you to everybody else. Cool. So you could also focus on short wigs only, for your corporate women, for those who want the short bobs. You'd also make a killing. Or you could focus on long inches only, like you could be only selling long inches. People will know that you're the long inch queen. See, that's even an example of a name you could name your business: long inch queen, or inches queen, or that type of thing only. You could just focus on that, right? So guys, you don't need to just be selling every single thing. Sorry guys, I'm back. I just had to deal with accepting a Airbnb guest. She wanted to book, so I just accepted it quickly. But yeah, see, I'm even able to do Airbnb because of the hair business, guys. The hair business is rewarding. Okay, it's rewarding. Don't let anybody fool you to say, oh, it's too saturated, or any of these crazy things. Okay, so yeah, as I was saying, you can focus on these different specific things. You don't need to sell anything and everything in the hair business and do everything under the sun, right? You can just focus on these different things. Cool. First one is the obvious one: selling hair to people, whether it's bundles, inches, wigs, whatever it is. That's number 1. Number 2 is fixing people's wigs. People look down on this, but then it can make you a lot of money. Out of all the businesses that I do, fixing people's wigs is what brought me a lot of money in a short period, because there's a lot of people that will bring your hair in and you will be just providing all these services for them. If you do it correctly, they will refer you to others, and those people will also bring your wigs to them. This is something people don't think about, but a lot of people need it, because most wigs, when they're bought, they need customizing, they need plucking, they need treatment, they need to be styled, and people don't know how to do this. And if you are catering to the higher end clients, they don't want to do this on their own, right? They want somebody to do these services for them. So guys, you need to think about this one. This one is a really good one. I love this one. It's one of my favorite ones because it's just brought so much happiness into my life. I enjoy it. It's cool to see you transform a wig from something like this to something like this. So yeah, that's number 2. This one can bring you a lot of money. And if you're there like, oh, I can't do number 2 because I don't know how to plug bleach knots, there's a lot of videos on YouTube, guys. Please, this is like 2025. You need to start watching videos and learning and going the extra mile to get this information, right? If you're still confused, you feel like YouTube is too much, I do have classes. You can click the link in my bio down here. They are available classes. You can watch these videos at any time. They're super detailed. They'll teach you how to do it the right way, right? So that you know how to plug properly, correctly. Don't overplug, don't underplug, don't mess up people's wigs. Bleaching knots, how to bleach knots correctly, how to treat hair, how to straighten, how to curl. I teach you everything. So you can access those videos at any time, watch them at any time, make sure that you are good. So yeah, you can watch my videos and then start having those services. And the good thing about this one is it's all profit. Well, majority is profit, really. If you price your services correctly, it's all profit, guys. That's why I love this wig services industry. Number three, the third way to make money in the hair industry is to teach others. Teach others the skills that you already know. For example, if you know how to make wigs, teach people how to make wigs. If you know how to plug, teach people how to plug, how to bleach knots, teach them treatment, how to treat customers, how to get customers, how to get followers. All these good things, guys. If you have the skills, you need to make sure that you are using them to make money. Stop sitting around and crying and saying, oh my gosh, I don't have any skills, and go out there and get them so that you can teach people. All of a sudden, you're going to have all these opportunities open to you because you actually took a chance on yourself. It's time to take a chance on yourself. Stop sleeping on yourself and do the right thing. Stop sleeping on yourself, guys. You will regret it. So that is just my advice to you today. The third one is teaching others, whether you're doing it on YouTube in person or through downloadable videos. There's so many options for you to go for, right? TikTok is also a really good place to teach people. You can end up having brands working with you. There's just so much you can do in the hair industry, but these are the main three that I wanted to talk about. With all these main three, I do have a supplier list. If you are one that wants to go into the hair business, then you can grab my supplier list as well. The link is going to be down below. My supplier list has all the juicy nice hair, all the nice lace. My supplier list is from China. I do not buy my hair from South Africa, so I'm South African. I do not buy my hair from here in South Africa because I like to buy it straight from the source. I know there are Chinese vendors in South Africa selling the hair, but then I like to buy it from the manufacturing hub. I like to buy it straight from the factory where they're actually sourcing the hair, separating it, putting it into wefts and all that good stuff. I want to get it straight from there, like straight. I don't want to get it from a middleman or whatever, you know. I want to get it straight from there. You know why? Because I like to be in control of what's being sold to my customers. I don't want to be that person that doesn't know what's going on. I have no control because I'm buying from a middleman. At least I'm able to speak with my suppliers and say, next time please do it like this, or next time please do it like that, right? I don't need to be struggling and stressing out, especially because I sell at a higher price. So my clients expect quality all the time. I cannot drop the bar when it comes to quality. I need to keep the standards high. So yeah, my suppliers are from China. And they do have Vietnamese hair, they do have double joint, they have all that good stuff. As you can see, this is really good. And this is a closure, by the way, but it looks like a ear to ear because of the way it's been customized, bleach knots and everything. You don't have to do a ear to ear, guys. If you have clients that don't know how to maintain ear to ears, you can just get something like this as well. So yes, guys, just a quick recap. Number one, we said you can sell hair bundles and whatever, and within that you must make sure that you are specializing in something within that. Don't just sell everything. Number two, you can go and fix people's wigs, bleach their knots, plug, install their wigs, do all that good stuff. That is a really good one because it is like the profit of, you know, it's good. You just have to get the skills. Number three is teach others the skills you already know. Teach others, this is how you do this is how you do that, and then you're good to go, guys. So yes, guys, that is it for today. If you have any other questions when it comes to hair business, beauty, whatever it may be, Airbnb as well, please pop them below and I will answer, guys. Please follow and subscribe to the channel because I will be coming down with more gems, more nice things, more beauty gems, more business gems. And yeah, I can't wait to see you in the next video. I hope you will make a decision this time and not just sit on your dreams that God has put in you. Go out and make those things happen. Okay, guys, goodbye and have a good week.